Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli heavy machinery channel. My name is Richard. So on my back, you can see this is a complete girth gear. So we made it into two pieces and then we put it together. You can see here we have the bolts and nuts. So after this girth gear is cast in our metal casting workshop, it is heat treated, and then we do the machining of the girth gear, inside, also outside. And after that, we put the whole thing onto the gear hobbing machines to have the tooth features of the girth gear. And then after that, we do the paintings. You can see this one, the painting is not finished yet. After we done the painting, we'll put the anti-rust oil on the surface, and also we'll have the packings, we'll have the film membranes, we'll put the around the girth gear to protect the surface. And then in our next video, I will introduce about our other manufacturing equipment and our other products. So thank you guys. I'll see you.